Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So, with a long weekend behind us now, Thanksgiving weekend behind us, we can expect to get some traction. Where that traction is coming from is not really that clear at the moment. So it does look like, sorry, I just want to line that up correctly. We do have this diagonal support, and you can see I've got tails down. If I extend this further down, it'll probably pick up tails further down as well. So that's our diagonal support at the moment. We don't really have daily support except for down there, which we have tested already. So there is another micro level pretty close to where we are. I think if I can just do that. So just picking up these inside tails, okay? That's what we're looking for. It does coincide with this diagonal. Okay, so let's just get down to the 3 hour. At the moment we are still sideways, and that's pretty much what you would expect based on the long weekend. Bear in mind we've got a pretty big week this week. We've got non-farm payrolls, we've got quite a bit of data, we've got quite a bit of political noise, and also there's a lot of corona noise now. And the rest of the world's been noisy about corona for some time, and the US hasn't really been that noisy, so they're starting to get quite noisy about it now. So I think there's a lot going on which we need to keep in the back of our minds, and at the moment the volumes are still low. There's still sort of the you know how we all feel after a long weekend. It takes a while to get going, and I think that's pretty much where we are at the moment. So I expect this sideways motion to continue, and I'm just going to draw another level in here. Just take that there. Okay, so not exact, but you can see I do have these inside tails here, and that kind of forms a bit of a range for us. Okay, it does give us a bit of a head and shoulders here. There's a shoulder, there's a head, there's a shoulder. It is a flat top triangle as well. So for me, I'm looking to buy into this, but I'm not so sure I want to be buying now, and I'm not so sure I'll be buying early in the European session either. So for as long as we are below the 33 on the hour, I'm not looking to buy, okay, unless we come up to a major level. And at the moment we don't have a major level right now. And one thing I did forget to point out in the beginning was we are looking for a monthly close. And look at the monthly close at the moment, more than likely looking to close above where price is at the moment. Okay, because that is the previous monthly high. So if we close above that, that validates us for a bit of a climb. Okay. The other thing that we do need to take cognizance of is Black Friday. There's a lot of noise around Black Friday, whether it was successful or not. And yeah, I know in my own country, South Africa, online was kind of okay, but physical in-store wasn't really that great. And also there was a lot of retailers trying to make up for profits that they lost during the lockdowns that we experienced here. So it's very difficult to ascertain how it transpired, but that data is going to start rolling out probably toward the middle of the week, end of the week, and that would also influence what's going on. Okay, so for now, let's just put this level in because that is pretty much the previous monthly high. That is 29,805. So this 30,000 area is obviously the one to watch, and you can see we're bouncing around in it. And I wouldn't be too surprised to see buyers step in here at 29,800 and probably sell off at 30,000 and then sort of arrange a bit until we get some kind of direction from data or some catalyst. Okay, so for me, I'm probably going to just sit and wait for this one. Let's wait for the US Open. Not going to try and squeeze us in on the on the European Open, but I am favouring the longs. I am looking to buy the pullbacks, and that's pretty much the moral of my story at the moment. Okay, so anyway, that's it for me today. I hope it helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.